And there you go, that is all the plywood, just about. And this here is the little cutout we have in the roof for that piece of around the window there. So you see how we have it cut out so that they can make usable space of the window there. And we still have to build a special section of roof over here too that meets the corner of the house. And we can't finish this side until we have that, because we have to come across the bottom, then the next, and then the end course. But here is some of the framing to do what we did here. And there's the view. Alright, let's make our way on down. And I think I will cut the camera here so I can do the ladder. And then we can just show you the inside of what we have going up there around the window. We had to cut the truss up there against the wall and then do this framing in here. So it's kind of hard to see in the camera what's going on, but we had to do a fair amount of scribing and fitting to get things in there because of the slope of the roof and the counter slope of the truss. And then fitting the plywood to the roof and the slope, the two slopes of the roof here. So we got all that. Nicer day today, you can see better. The smoke from the Canadian fires is dissipating a little bit. The air smells nicer and we're not coughing. Ugh, that was awful. And we have over this way, you see the roofing is all up there now, except for we ran out of plywood to do the other side. But again, as I say, we have to finish some special framing up there before we can finish it anyway, so no big deal. Okay, it's Friday and time to start enjoying a weekend. So if you like these videos, give us a subscription please, and we will see you on the next video. And if you like it, don't forget to click like, and if you have questions, feel free to ask.